Hello, my name is Martin from ISAAK, and in the next few minutes I would like to guide you through the installation of R and RStudio on a Windows machine. The process is rather straightforward and easy, and within the next few seconds you will have R and RStudio together, one of the most advanced statistical environments on your computer. So, at first we need to download R and RStudio. We start with the installation of R because RStudio needs this to be able to work. We go to www.r-project.org, and the actual installation files are a bit hidden here. At first we see here download R, and we use that link, and we select a mirror that is geographically near to your location. So in my case it's Germany, and I select a university mirror. That's usually the fastest way to go. And here we can see several options. Download R for Windows is the one that we would like to choose here. And here's written, this is what you want if you install R the first time. So that's what we are doing here. Go for it. And finally there's the link for the download file, for the installation file, and we save it on a folder, the download folder, and here the download proceeds, and we can start installing R then by double clicking the R installer. Go for it, and we might need to set some things first. At first I have to agree to the execution of the file because it's downloaded from the internet. That's fine in this case. You can select the language for the setup. I choose now English and go, and I agree to the GNU General Public License and choose a folder where I'd like to install it. Program files is fine for me. And if you don't have any specific needs, you just leave probably these things like they are now. And also you do not want to customize the startup, because we will use R from RStudio, from within RStudio, so that's actually not necessary for us. So leave it as it is and go. And you can also select if you want to have some shortcuts here. Also the best option is to leave it like it is and go for it. So now we have installed R with the default settings on our computer, and we can finish that and go to the desktop. There we should see the shortcut to R. We can start it by double clicking it. Now you can see you already can use R here, for example for computation. It works, but it is much more convenient to use R from within RStudio, so that's our next step now. I quit R, don't want to save my workspace, and again go to my browser and go to www.rstudio.com, and here the download button is much more easy to find. We want to have RStudio and we want to download it, so here is already the link, and we want the free RStudio desktop environment. So we click here on download, and then we can see here all the installers. In this case we want to use the one for Windows, so click again, save it, and you might see in my download folder I already did that before. So when the download is finished, I should here have RStudio as the application. I double click it again, let the install script come up, Takes a bit of a time. There we are. Again, it's from the internet, so yes, I agree. And here's the setup. Proceed. Where to install program files, that's okay. And also he wants to make a start menu folder, that's also fine for me. Okay, here we are. RStudio is installed. Proceed, and now we are able to find it. New apps are installed, and we might be able to see RStudio here. We can start it, and drum roll. Here we go. RStudio starts up, and we're in there. Here is already embedded R that still is able to calculate, and we can use the more advanced things like making scripts here and so on. That was all. Now you have RStudio installed and can start making interesting statistics. Thank you. Till next time.